Welcome back to the Abacus game class. In our last session, we discussed why you all play this game and how it affects your brain. In today's class, we will discuss fingers used in Abacus and how our fingers are part of this game. Are you ready, kids? Okay, let's start. How to hold Abacus. First, hold your Abacus with both hands. Keep it straight and comfortable. This is our pointer finger. It moves the top bead down to add 5. It also pushes beads away to subtract. This is our thumb. The thumb pushes the lower beads up to add 1, 2, 3, or 4. Now, let's use both fingers together. Thumb and pointer work as a team to make bigger numbers like 6, 7, 8, and 9. Remember, thumb adds the lower beads. Pointer moves the upper bead and subtracts. Both together make bigger numbers easy. Great job! Now you're ready to start learning abacus calculations. Meet the abacus columns. Think of your abacus like a big apartment building. Each vertical metal rod is a different room, and numbers live inside them. We always count from the right side to the left side. The ones room, first column on the far right. This is for single numbers like 1, 2, 3, up to 9. The tens room, second column from the right. This is for numbers that count by tens, like 10, 20, 30, up to 99. The hundreds room, third column. This is for giant numbers like 100, 200, 300, up to 900. The thousands room, fourth column. This is for super big numbers like 1,000, 2,000. The 10,000s room, fifth column. This is for mega numbers like 10,000, 20,000. How to show your numbers? To make a number, use your right thumb to push the lower beads up so they touch the long white bar in the middle. If a column has no beads touching the middle bar, it means 0. How to show 20? Go to the tens room, the second column from the right. Use your thumb to push 2 beads up. Leave the ones room empty, 0. You just made 2 tens and 0 ones equals 20. How to show 200? Go to the hundreds room, the third column from the right. Use your thumb to push 2 beads up. Leave the tens and ones rooms empty, 0. You just made 2 hundreds, 0 tens, and 0 ones equals 200. How to show 2,000? Go to the thousands room, the fourth column from the right. Use your thumb to push 2 beads up. Leave all the rooms to the right of it empty, 0. How to show 20,000? Go to the 10,000s room, the fifth column from the right. Use your thumb to push 2 beads up. Leave all other rooms to the right empty, 0. Great job! Now, I hope you all understands today's class. Your homework is watch this class again. We will meet in next class. Bye, kids!